Pour arriver à Abidjan, c'est à la gare que le convoyeur m'a laissé et puis parti. J'avais un rendez-vous avec mon grand frère. Quand je suis arrivé, on a essayé de le rejoindre sur son numéro, mais ça ne passait pas. Ça ne passait pas. On a tenté jusqu'à... On n'a pas pu le rejoindre. C'est dans ça que je suis resté à la gare. Il y avait beaucoup des enfants. Eux, ils sont plus grands que moi. J'étais le plus petit. Première nuit, ils ont enlevé mon argent, les 10 000. Ils ont pris mes vêtements aussi. Ils m'ont tout arraché par la force. Ils m'ont même blessé avec des lames. Ça faisait très peur, mais on n'avait pas le choix. Il faut forcément aller à la gare, parce qu'on ne sait même pas là où aller. J'ai demandé de l'argent aux gens. Ça veut dire que c'est moi de demander de l'argent aux gens pour pouvoir manger. Donc, c'était compliqué.
The experience of Barthélemy is similar to that of many young people in West Africa. Children leave their villages for greener pastures in the big cities, only to find themselves in vulnerable situations. They often end up being exploited by employers, duped by traffickers, or abandoned to their fates in the streets of a capital. For several years, institutions and NGOs have tried to deal with this issue. A proposal for a different management of the problem was adopted by the West Africa Network for the Protection of Children, or ONE. To do this, ONE uses a procedure commonly known as the Standards, which consists of 8 steps. First, it is about identifying a child who is in a vulnerable situation and who often comes from another country. Then, support the child by urgently taking him or her from the vulnerable situation and to provide protection. And then study the personal situation of the child in order to draw up an action plan. Trace and assess the family for a possible return of the child home, and if not possible, look for alternatives for placement like centres or foster families. Reintegrate the child in a social environment where he or she can safely grow and learn. Monitor reintegration. This task does not only concern professionals, but also involves communities and reference persons of the child. Finally, ensure economic resources of families and communities to guarantee sustainability of placement and prevent future departures. The 8-step system is built and developed around a common and fundamental point.
L'enfant. Les RAO a replacé l'enfant au centre des préoccupations. Pas seulement comme victime, mais comme acteur de sa potentielle réussite sociale et personnelle.
Super savon du Burkina.
Through the support of his life project, the experience at the station in Abidjan is now just an unpleasant memory for Barthélemy. He is making a living, he supports his mother, and pays his younger brother's school fees.
La